Welcome to Mass Traffic Monster. If you are looking for a solution to send positive signals to Google, your website is already optimized but you do not know what more you can do. You want to increase search engine rankings. You want to increase your organic traffic. You want to sell more on your online store. If those are your goals, Mass Traffic Monster will help you to reach them. Mass Traffic Monster, unlimited traffic, solutions for internet marketers and traffic reseller business. Mass Traffic Monster is designed to help users to increase their website's traffic with a single click in a simple way. Mass Traffic Monster is fully compatible with Windows 10, Windows 8 and Windows 7, all versions, 86 and 64. Their traffic is the best traffic deal you will ever see. Visitors will come from search engines, PPC, directories, solo ads, safe list, banner ads, text ads, pop-ups, expired domains and more. They guarantee that all your traffic will be visible, and you can check that in Google Analytics to make sure you are delivering what you are paying for. No need to spend hours trying to find new traffic sources. No more paying for any ads to send traffic to your websites or blogs. No BS. This helps them generate free targeted traffic to their own websites, e-com stores and blogs. You can define one or more keywords by campaign and get organic traffic. Mass Traffic Monster is so simple to use that you will only need a few seconds to set it up. No need to read a guide. The tool is simple and intuitive. Please visit masstrafficmonster.com.
Okay, welcome back to my new video, how to use Mass Traffic Monster as an affiliate or as an traffic reseller business. I will show you exactly how to use this system. This is a great system and every internet marketer need this system. You can generate unlimited leads, unlimited traffic, and from there, if your product is good, you will get sales and you will make more and more money in your wallet. Now, how to use this great system? This is so easy to use it. So let's start. Okay, so first, when you purchase the system, you will get a license key and a password. So all you have to do is type, copy, paste your license key and a password, and you can click here, remember my password, and click login. Now when you log in, you will get this great dashboard. This dashboard look very professional and look very nice and very easy to use it. Okay, so basically you can see all you have to do is put your link. Let's get one of my links and choose your package. That's mean how many visitors you want to get to your link. Okay, you can choose any package you want, let's say 5,000 visitors, and of course you have to choose a correct category for your product, for your link. Okay, let's say I will choose marketing. Okay, I will choose marketing right now for this example, and all you have to do is you can see create new campaign. Okay, you can see your campaign is added here, And right now you can see this is campaign ID, this is your link, this is the package you chosen, and total visitors right now is 0, and the campaign right now is pending, and of course your category. Now basically you have to activate your campaign, so all you have to do is click here, double click on your link, and you can see here activate selected campaign. Okay, now you can see this the status of this campaign has changed, and right now this is an active campaign. You can see here some buttons. You can see this button is refresh your list campaign, okay, and you can see this button is delete selected campaign, and here you can see active selected campaign. So basically if you want to delete your link, all you have to do is double click your link here and click delete selected campaign like this. Okay, I have deleted my campaign. I will add it another link. Now basically you can add your link and run. Let's say I will get another link. Basically you can add up to 5 campaigns. So let's add this link. I will add another link. I will choose a different package and different category. Okay, I will add another link. I will choose another. Okay, this is for example, so I can show you how exactly this work. Now I have 3 campaigns. You can see here 3 campaigns, and all of them is pending. So let's activate. Let's refresh. Okay, this is still pending, so let's activate it and refresh. Okay, now all my campaigns is active, and I will start getting, you will see here the counter real time. You can see I just get 1 visitor to this campaign. This is great. Here is another visitors. Okay, now basically you can see all this traffic on Google Analytics. This is of course real traffic. This is not bot traffic. You can see all traffic with any tracking you wish to track, and of course you can see this traffic on Google Analytics. Now there is another option that I really recommend to use on this software, and this pinging services and backlink generator. Now this tools is very strong tools, and I think you have to choose these tools for every link or a blog. If you have a blog or website, and if you have a content that you want to rank and get backlinks, this tools is fantastic to ping service and get backlinks. Okay, so let's start with backlinks. I will show you how to use it. So basically you can see you have to add your link here. So let's add my link. and you have to add your keywords here. Okay, so basically how to get keywords, I will show you a great method how to get keywords. You can visit keywordstool.io and you can search if your product talk about let's say Bitcoin or any niche. You can choose any niche. These tools will give you unlimited keywords. Look, unlimited keywords. Let's say Bitcoin earning. Here. You will get another keywords and unlimited keywords like you see. Okay, so basically when you found when you make your search and get keywords, you can go here and copy to a clipboard like you see here, and back to the software and put your keywords on this tool. Okay, now we have unlimited keywords, and all you have to do is start generate backlink. Okay, this is a fantastic to get unlimited backlink. So let's start generating a backlink. Okay, now when you generating a backlink, please don't close this window. You can back to your software dashboard and you can make any what you want with your campaigns, but when you get backlinks, please don't close this software. Now I will show you how pinging services work. Basically this is like the backlink, but this is another services and you can use it to ping your website and get your website very fast on any search engine like Google, Yahoo and Bing or any search engine. Okay, so how this works? So basically all you have to do is open this window. Let's type here. Okay, we can put this window here. Okay, now this is our ping service. Okay, so basically you need keywords. You can find your keywords here like I said, and so let's put the keywords on this inbox, and you need your website URL and RSS URL. Now basically if you don't have your RSS URL, it's okay, you can put only your link on this inbox like this. Okay, let's back to the software, and all you have to do is start. Okay, okay, now basically like you see this progress bar start working, and and this software will do all the work for you, pinging your link. Basically you can ping any link you wish to ping fast on a search engine. You can use YouTube URLs, and you can use any social media URL. You can ping your blog or any website or any content. Let's see what's happened with the backlinks. Okay, you can see I get right now over 400 400 backlinks. You can see this is just a start. I will keep this running, and the ping service I will keep it running. Okay, now I can work with my dashboard and can do whatever I want with my campaigns. Like you see, I already get traffic and visitors to my links. This is great, guys. I really recommend to use this software. This is a fantastic software for internet marketers, and if you want to succeed online, you need to get this software in your PC. Okay, so basically this is my review about this great software, and if you want to get this software, you can search on Google for a mass traffic monster, or you can click the link below this video and get this software even today. Okay, so thank you again for watching, and have a good day. Thank you very much.